Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your character in Dude Theft Wars. So in order to customize your character in Dude Theft Wars, launch open your Dude Theft Wars game on your device and wait for the main menu or dashboard to appear, which looks like this. Now go to the right hand corner and look for the multiplayer button and tap on it. Wait for the server to connect, and once you get to this page, in order to customize your character, go to the customization button at the bottom left and tap on it. From here, you can go to the Dude shop and look for tops, glasses, bottoms, shoes, face, and other options. Look if there is any features unlocked. You can change the color of your top, skin tone for your character, customize through the color palette, and you can also change the bottom color, shoes, etc. After you do that, you have successfully customized your character. Now you can also go ahead and preview your character on this screen. Move the character left or right to check out how it looks like. You can also randomize the character from the loop menu, which looks like two arrows at the bottom left. Simply find the character from the random menu and click on the quick play button at the bottom right to play the game quickly. Now your character in the game will appear in the updated look. Some outfits or accessories are locked and require completing missions, earning in-game currency, or purchasing with premium currency. So that's how you can easily customize your character in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.